Hey! Alright, so this area is cleaned up pretty well. I gotta go through my papers, put them into here so I can sort them out. This crap I'll start going through, ingesting into my server, but that's gonna take time that I don't want to deal with right now. This stuff I haven't touched. I don't know. We're setting up surround sound eventually. This is a surround sound receiver. I think it's gonna get moved back there, but we'll see. We got one speaker there. We got that one there, and of course the two big ones, which have been very abused. So they don't sound the greatest, but they produce some bass and I get volume out of them, but whatever. They rattle, it's whatever. So yeah. I am going to find my tools. Well, mostly I just need to find the torch bit that fits the screws I got, because in order to move that into place, I gotta screw one of these on first so I can fit all 4 bolts, and this one is going to get moved down here more, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did here, well, as I'm going to do over there with a piece of 2x4, and then that into that. Yeah, so I'm going to put some music on now. I'm not going to record this bit, and we'll get back to you. Well, the only things we needed to finish is cleaning this area up. I have to move all of this stuff more this way. Get that thing drilled out for the door, which I don't know where that went, whatever. But we got the hammock in. It is too big for the space, but it is so darn comfortable. And I may need to add some supports on the sides of this, but that'll be decided later on. Yeah, I'm pretty darn happy. I'm going to put away all of these tools here, put this down, do this, deal with more of my clothes that are inside. I think the ones are done drying and I can put the other ones in the wash, bring them out here so I can start going through them. Fix the security camera things. And then I think it might be time for a nap. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll edit this video before I nap. Probably not, I'm feeling pretty tired. I don't even want to do this or the clothes, but it's got my work stuff and I gotta grab my work lunch bag, get that ready so I don't have to think about it tomorrow, because I'll forget because it's in the truck. But anyways, yeah, that's my update. Yeah, get back to you in a minute. Alright, we got all my chores done. We are a little sad. My water's frozen and we gotta deal with that. But anyways, because the propane leaks, come back here. We got a nice little door. I can turn it on and off right there. It's not perfect. Don't have the right tools I do in the house. But I didn't feel like getting the jigsaw. Apparently my door doesn't want to close right. Come on, little buddy, get in there. There we go. Doesn't seal super great, but I'm basically behind the fridge, so I'm not too worried. So yeah, that would be my major chores for this weekend done. And well, I just gotta put my dishes away and put all these tools away and figure out what I'm gonna do with my exercise stuff. I'll probably end up chilling in the bedroom. I don't know. And we gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all my towels. Probably underneath the vacuum cleaner because I don't really care. I don't use all these towels anymore. But anyways, oh crap. Get back in there. This cheap one, I'm gonna have to get it replaced. Get it replaced, replace it, buy a new one, whatever. But anyways, we're gonna put the podcast back on. We're gonna clean this up, then edit this video, grab the clothes from inside, and start going through that stuff. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling and how long it takes to edit this video. But anyways, hope you enjoy it. I'm slowly getting things done here, even though it's all just gonna end up going bye-bye at the end of the year. But whatever, you know, gotta be comfortable for now. Yeah, peace out.